The realty sector is expected to reach $1 trillion in market size by 2030. Did you know there's an average of 52 touchpoints from first inquiry to closing on a new home? Realtors struggle to tie together millions of records and analyze customers' purchase intent. Artificial intelligence is achieving the impossible by connecting dots from wide data sources such as clients' web search, audio calls, online chats, ad clicks, website visits, and more to strengthen lead generation and build deep neural net models to allocate the right budget for the right channel. India's premier infrastructure developer, Larsen & Toubro, is counted among world's top 5 construction companies with operations in 50 countries worldwide.
L&T Realty develops homes, offices, retail shops and malls in major cities of India. We also have our own construction company and finance company. We have nearly 1 lakh people who connect with us every year to buy an apartment. Unfortunately, we spend a lot of time talking to them and understanding their requirements. The second is, where do we advertise, how much and when? And the third is, a lot of interactions happen on the telephone. So voice is there, but it needs to be into a text format, and the relevant information has to be there on the CRM. We require an AI ML engine which can dynamically categorize my leads into A, B, C categories. The second is, we require an advisor bot, an advisor bot which can tell me where to advertise. And the third thing is, we require voice analytics and computer vision to know the sentiments of our customers.
Want to know more about how AI can help the realty sector? For every traditional enterprise, there is a Findability Sciences solution.